Second outing of the new beast of an airgun by RTI Arms, the Mora. And this time we'll try a new slug, H&N Precision 33 grain .217. So this is the result I was able to achieve yesterday in much quieter weather. I better hold this sheet of paper, otherwise the wind will just flip it over. 6 shots, 60 yards out of the RTIArms Mora H&M Precision Slugs 33 grains at 925 feet per second. Those 4 especially are basically in the same hole. As you can see, I can cover this group with my fingertip. Okay, the wind will take care of this one. One more group, 5 shots, and this one right here kinda spoiled it. Tough weather today, overcast and windy again. The big one again. Unfortunately, my GoPro froze on me and it failed to record the first couple of shots at 100 yards. The good thing is I noticed it wasn't working soon enough, so there are only 2 shots missing from this recording. Okay. Let's go back to the one in the middle. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's moving too much. As you can see, they will not spin because they hit the wood behind them. Got it again. Let's try one more time. Okay, and now let's go for the smallest one. Oh, very good. Ha! Look at that. Okay, I brought it down. Let's try again. Oh, and it's up again. Okay, I placed a piece of wood on top of it, so that if it goes up again, it does not stay up. Let's try again. The wind is picking up. Very good. And the gun is almost certainly off the rag now, but I'll try again. Yeah, I missed. Back to the one in the middle. And the smallest one. Okay. And the last shot on the smallest one. Alright, very good. Well, first of all, sorry that you have to suffer the noise of the dog barking in the neighboring property, but I have to say, I'm pretty pleased with the performance of the H&N Precision Slugs. This was the first group on the largest of the gongs. As you can see, it was a bit to the right, also right here on the one in the middle. Then I adjust it to the left, and then this group on the smallest of the gongs is a pretty good one, I'd say. This one is 71 yards away. I dialed on this shot. Oh my god, I just nailed him. Now, that was the Mora's first kill. Quite spectacular. The Mora, darling love, is quite powerful. He just nailed that pigeon up there. You're gonna have to wait a while. Well, I just called the cat darling love. I hope my wife is not watching this. Well, I hope you can see those two, because they're inside and I'm outside, and there is glare, and the distance is 64 yards. And one less pigeon in there. Now I wonder what a 33 grain slug traveling at more than 925 feet per second is going to do to a sparrow at 40 yards. All right. Now, in one of my previous videos, some of you expressed concern that I'm shooting sparrows. I tried to explain to you that there are some things about the behavior of those birds that actually have a negative impact. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is footage that I didn't get from somewhere else. This is footage of my own. Now, the long story short, sparrows are not only nesting in machinery, which can potentially cause it to malfunction, they're also taking over the nests of swallows. And we cannot let this happen, because swallows are the best insect pest controllers of nature. I don't think that was a very good shot, but it was efficient. And that's 41 yards. Yeah, one more thing, guys. This time I forgot to paint the skirts of the slugs to get this tracer effect we all like so much. But I will paint some tonight, because tomorrow I intend to pay this place another visit. Well, I went quickly back in the car. Terrible weather today. Now the distance is 118 yards. Wow, man. That was just awesome. Spot on. Oh, and it's getting gory. It will fall down for the cat, I suppose. Or not. Wow. Well, you saw it yourselves, guys. 118 yards. Superb performance by the Mora with those H&N slugs. And today is not a very good day for shooting. It's not just the rain, although the sun has broken through the clouds right now, briefly. It's also very strong winds, 15 to 16 miles per hour, gusting up to more than 20. As you could see, I was aiming dead center of my crosshairs. I'm using my Scandinavian-arms-lrs-scope made by the Schmidt & Bender. I trust this one very much. I use turret tracking, and I wasn't using some sort of a rest or a shooting table, just this concrete ledge, and I was leaning forwards. Not a very comfortable stance, but good enough for the Mora with those slugs. I'm very pleased with my gear. Well, it was easy finding it. I can see where it landed. There she is. She seems happy. Those are at a little over 60 yards. The wind is getting very, very strong. Holding over a little bit. Ho, 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 ho. The Mora with those slugs hits like a sledgehammer. And I thought feral pigeons were the only ones doing this. One on top of the other. It's gone. Whoa, a new type of pigeon. I can still see you, and you're definitely on the wrong rooftop. This would be the correct rooftop, with the two Eurasian doves on it. A kestrel. Look how beautiful it is, and how windy it is up there. Well, I only see its belly. That's 44 yards. That is a crow at 71 yards. Whoa. Oh. Oh yeah, you're the good one that lets me pet him. But you're a little late for the action. Okay. Off you go. So, how did you like the Mora today? I hope you liked her, because she definitely likes you. Wow, that was quite a puff of air towards my camera. I hope it's not ruined. Stay tuned for more interesting content starring this gun coming really soon. Thanks you guys.